In this training video for ProCalV5, we will be covering approval policies. To create an approval policy, you will click the List menu and Approval Policies. This is the Approval Policies Management section of ProCal. To start a new approval policy, you will click the Add New, and we'll call this one Example. You may also force signing sequence, make it an active policy, and apply final approval when the last signature is fixed. We'll just select all of these, and now you will click Add Signature, and the signature meaning line now is kept. We'll call this Admin as an example, and now you can select from the user groups permitted to assign for this, where you click Manage Groups, and now from your user group section you may select the user group that again may be a single person or people that is defined to the group. If we select admins in this particular example, we will apply our changes, and now we will save this. I have this one set up. As you can see, I have an example here so the system can catch that. We'll call this example 2 and save, and now it is set up. You may add more signatures, you may remove signatures, move signature up, or even move signature down. And if we add another signature in this particular example, maybe we'll call it technicians, and we'll say in our technicians we will want the inspection department to sign. We now apply our changes, but maybe we realize that we want our technicians to be up. We will move signature up, and now technicians is added first. If we save this and exit, on the instruments record as an example, on the Approval Policies tab, the New Approval Policy section here is where you would select your approvals, and you'll notice now the example 2 is there. If we select it, it now starts with me. I make my changes, and then it's set to technicians and then administrators. This is used for electronic approvals of records and is fully compliant with electronic date, time, and signature stamps for 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. You may also assign just calibration approvals as well, or an entirely new record approval. Once the approval is routed and created, ProCal can automatically send it out for notifications to the users of when things are calling their attentions, either through an email or through the View Reminders section where you have calibrations waiting finalization, approval, and more. And again, just to recap, on the Group Records section, Reminders options is where any of your items awaiting for approval may be selected. More information about approval policies is available in the